Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in your Subaru Crosstrek. These handy controls allow you to manually shift gears, giving you more command over your vehicle's performance. You'll find them conveniently located right behind your steering wheel, making it easy to access them while driving. Understanding their function can significantly enhance your driving experience, whether you're looking for more engagement or better control on varied terrain. To shift up, simply pull the paddle on the right side of your steering wheel, marked with a plus sign. This action will move you into a higher virtual gear, which is useful for increasing speed or improving fuel economy on open roads. Your Crosstrek's display will show you the current gear, helping you keep track of your selection. The system is designed to prevent shifts that could harm the engine. When you need to slow down or gain more power, pull the left paddle, marked with a minus sign, to downshift. This is particularly effective for engine braking on downhill grades, helping to save your conventional brakes. It's also great for quick acceleration when passing. The system has built-in safeguards, so it won't allow a downshift that would over-rev the engine. To return to automatic mode, you can either hold the right paddle for a few seconds, or the system will revert automatically after a period of steady driving. Paddle shifters are excellent for towing, mountain driving, or when you need a quick burst of power. Remember to practice using them in a safe environment to get comfortable with the feel and timing of your shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.